Experience the rush of pure gold at the Perth Mint. View the dazzling gold exhibition, watch a gold pouring performance, handle gold bullion and find unique treasures at the Perth Mint shop. The Perth Mint, located in the heart of the city. Caversham Wildlife Park is located in Whiteman Park, next to the Swan Valley, and is open daily except Christmas Day from 9 to 5:30. See the largest collection of Australian fauna in Western Australia and a farm show 3 times daily. The Bell Tower, home of the Swan Bells, a truly interactive must-do experience. Enjoy stunning 360-degree views of Perth from the open-air observation deck. Open 7 days a week, the Bell Tower is one of Western Australia's most unique attractions. Captain Cook Cruises is located at Barrack Square in the heart of Perth, offering the widest ranges of cruises on Perth's Swan River. Up to 7 daily departures between Perth and the heart of Fremantle, with one-way, return and lunch options available. Present your boarding pass to receive 15% off all cruises.
Swan Valley is located only 25 kilometres from Perth CBD. Explore the Swan Valley Food and Wine Trail. Enjoy wineries, boutique breweries, fine restaurants, fresh produce and artisan studios. Call the Swan Valley Visitor Centre for all the Swan Valley has to offer. Perth is proud to welcome back the Red Bull Air Race World Championships on April 17th and 18th this year. The Swan River in the heart of the Perth city is the centre stage for this exciting international event. 2010 will be the first year Australian pilot Matt Hall will compete in Australia at the Perth round of the Red Bull Air Race World Championships. Whilst in Perth witnessing the world's most exciting motorsport event of the skies, why not stay a while and experience the extraordinary destinations that Western Australia has to offer? You'll discover some of Australia's best beaches, amazing marine adventures, plenty of nightlife and an unmatched laid-back lifestyle to boot. Head to Perth in April to support Matt and see the world's best pilots perform daring manoeuvres and reaching speeds of up to 370 kilometres an hour. 15 pilots, 8 races, 1 world champion. The Red Bull Air Race Championships return to Perth on April 17th and 18th.